Okay, friends, let's solve for x. You are given the cube root of x minus 2 is equal to 3. So solution: to solve for x, you are going to raise both sides to the third power because you want to get rid of the cube root sign. So you are going to raise both sides to the third power and solve for x. So you have this on the left side, you raise to the third power. This is equal to 3 to the third power. Okay, you raise both sides to the third power and then you can solve for x. Okay, now you are going to have x minus 2 is equal to 27. X is equal to 27 plus 2, which is 29. Okay,